How do I unmute someone in Messenger?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through a simple yet important task, how to unmute someone in Messenger. There might be instances where you've muted a contact and want to unmute them. Don't worry, it's quite simple and we're here to help.
Accessing Messenger.
First, you need to open your Messenger app on your smartphone. It's the blue icon with a white chat bubble inside. You might have to log in if you're not already.
Opening the chat.
Once you're in the app, find the chat with the person you've muted. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the person more quickly. Tap on their name to open the chat.
Going to the contact's profile.
In the chat window, you'll see the person's name at the top. Tap on the person's name, which will lead you to their profile information within Messenger.
Unmuting the contact.
Scroll down until you find the option that says Mute. If a person is muted, this will say Muted. Tap on it, and a menu will pop up with muting options. Here, you can select the Off option or Unmute option. The exact wording might vary slightly based on the app version. And there you have it. You've just unmuted someone on Messenger. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in showing you how to unmute someone in Messenger. Remember, you can always change these settings based on your preference. Stay connected, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.